Hello everyone, in this video, I'll walk you through how to add someone else's Instagram story to your story. Let's go ahead and launch the Instagram app. Over here, I'll go over several of the solutions with you. The first and most straightforward method is to, for example, simply scroll down into a post like this one. All I have to do to share this one to my story is tap the message icon above where it shows likes, then select Add Post to your story from the menu, and that will add the same post to your story. You can customize it, do anything you want, and then afterwards select this arrow icon, and then you can choose to share it with just your friends or share it to your story. So this is the first method, and you'll realize that it was just a post. What if you only want to share a story to your story? That might be more tricky, so it varies depending mostly on the story. Well, if you open this story and hit the three dots, you'll notice that you could share it, but somehow it won't give you the choice to share it to your story. You can only send it as a message. There is no option to add this to my Instagram story because I'm not tagged in it. But when you're tagged in somebody else's story, you'll be given the option to share it to your own story. When you're not tagged in, I suggest capturing a little screenshot, just like this, which is exactly what I did. So that's the screenshot of the story. If you simply want their story, you could crop it up and customize it. But if you just want the original poster as well, you can save the original screenshot and share it to our story. You can save that screenshot to your gallery. Swipe over here and select that screenshot, and I can then simply share that to my story. So to summarize all those methods, you can share posts quickly and easily. You can share a story only if you're tagged in it. But if you're not tagged in it, I suggest simply taking a screenshot of that story. As you'll see, this is the first story posted, followed by this one. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe Tech and Tech.